Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make tandoori chicken without oven or tandoor in a pan. This mouth-watering delicious chicken is well known as murk tandoor or tandoori murk. The chicken is claimed by bold flavors of spices and characteristic red hue is indeed a royal treat to taste buds. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of dry roasted fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, juice of 2 lemons, half a cup of hung curd, a pinch of red food color. It's optional, you can skip it. Chicken, I have taken 3 leg pieces. You can take any cut of your choice and slash like this on all sides. This will help for the penetration of spices. And I have taken 2 teaspoons of butter and charcoal that we will be using later for the smoky flavor. Now in a mixing bowl, take half of the lemon juice, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, mix properly and then rub on the chicken pieces. Make sure to rub inside the slits and keep it aside for half an hour. Now in the same bowl, add curd, remaining lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, chaat masala, salt, fenugreek leaves and food color. Mix properly and add chicken to it. Rub this mixture over chicken pieces properly, covering everywhere. Then cover it and keep it for marination for minimum 3 hours or more. So after 3 hours of refrigeration, now I have taken out the chicken, and now in a pan I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil and added 1 teaspoon of butter. Once this is hot, I'll add chicken. Here heat we have to keep high, and we don't have to crowd the pan or else chicken will start releasing water. We have to fry it on high flame on both sides for around 7 to 10 minutes till chicken gets grill marks. And we don't have to cover the pan at this stage. After 7 to 10 minutes on one side, we have to flip it and let it fry on the other side also. So we will fry it on other side also on high flame for around 7 to 10 minutes. Frying on both sides, now we will spread the marination mixture on the chicken pieces and keep it on low flame and cook till chicken is tender. It may take around 10 minutes. At this stage we can cover and keep flame on low. So I'll flip it in between so that the other side also gets cooked. Now the chicken is ready. I'll remove it from this pan. Now we will roast the chicken directly on the flame. I have kept flame low and I'll try to roast it on all sides, holding with a skewer or tongs. We'll do same with all the chicken pieces. Now moving to last step. This is the magic trick of giving chicken the flavor of tandoor. We will light up a piece of charcoal on flame and let it char nicely and turn red in color. Once it's charred nicely, we will remove it from the heat and place it in a bowl, steel bowl. Now in a pan or deep bowl, I'll place this bowl of charred charcoal, then add chicken to it, or you can use foil also if you don't have a steel bowl, and then add a teaspoon of butter or oil or ghee on the charcoal and cover it. This will give the smoky flavor to the chicken. We have to keep it like this for 2 to 3 minutes and then plate it out. Now we will plate it out. This tandoori chicken recipe yields soft, juicy chicken with all flavors of spices infused and a wonderful smoky aroma. Tandoori chicken is the star of starters and can be served with different chutneys or dips. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.